Oh. Hit towards you and up. Towards you. Like that. Alright, put it back on quick. Oh shit.
As much as I want it.
It's like wet to the snake. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like buttholes going out.
Dude, your snake is hungry.
Yeah, she eats once a week. Oh, just wait till she swallows it whole.
Did it just shit?
Yeah.
Its asshole came out of it.
Oh my god, that reminded me of CJ yesterday.
What happened to CJ's asshole?
No. Yesterday he like farted here and it was like completely stopped, runs to the bathroom. He's like, oh my god, I almost shit my pants.
That is a slow, horrible death.
I wish we didn't have the view of its ass.
No, just wait till she lets go and starts eating it.
I see its face down here.
It squeaked before it died.
It totally did squeak too. It was like,
It's gotta be dead. Took a shit. Pissed itself. Then it's done.
4 hours later.
No, normally it takes about 5 minutes altogether for killing and eating.
And then like.
It totally also gets you, like, just thinking.
Shitty
about that kind of shit.
It's all
I
good.
like how we all jumped too. Like, oh shit, it's already dead.
Dude, your hands are.
No, the first time I was like dead silent, and then she kills it, and I'm like, holy shit.
Dude, the mouse went right up to him, and he was like, what is
The
that?
mouse, yeah, dude, the mouse was like, oh fuck, I'm dead.
Oh, I didn't bring that substrate, and I'll do it tomorrow. So she said I need some
Are you
substrate
okay?
in there.
Dave!
Are you really licking my panties?
Yeah. If there's one in there.
I need him.
If there's one, yeah, check the fridge.
That's been traumatized.
Hi.
That's the worst behaved dog ever.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
No, you don't know the worst of it.
Throw up?
Yeah. And now it's eating it. It's self-cleaning it, dude.
Oh, she's letting go. She's starting to.
We have to just throw up in your mouth. Gross.
What's your name?
What?
She ate it.
What's your name?
Then she threw up again.
She's starting to let go and trying to grab it.
You gotta drink all that shit?
It's a long story.
Are you fucking serious? You really drink all that? What? A fucking half gallon of Crown Royal. Must've been a fun night.
Define fun night.
Define what?
I said define fun night.
Crown Royal?
Touche. Come on, grab its head.
Licking him.
First time she tried to eat like from the stomach, and then she finally figured out you have to go from the head first. So you can get it all.
Like it stopped. Like, fuck you, get away from my mouse. What the fuck?
No, mouse.
It's like, I don't like this one. It smells like cheese.
Come on. Oh, I want to get a shot of that dead face mouth. See, there's so many people. Okay, just eat. You know you're hungry.
How does it eat? It's so small.
It'll swallow it.
Right?
That is rad.
Straight up the ass.
Normally she doesn't. She's trying to. I don't know what she's doing. She's being lazy today. She's a Crawford. She'll get it. Oh, shit.
That was harsh.
That was harsh.
You know you're better.
It's all good. I don't know why, but this is the most interesting thing I've ever seen.
Watch the smashed potatoes.
Look how seriously nasty. Still fucking shedding. I've been around this snake too long.
Oh.
She does have issues when everybody watches too, but she'll get over it.
Sit it up, asshole.
Yeah, wait.
Considering fight this.
Hmm?
Yeah, wow, some big shit.
Yeah, CJ has my TV and Xbox.
Where is he?
Duty. So that's the only thing I really have. You know, like when people are over, I mean that's different, but it's taking her forever. Oh my goodness. America.
Oh, yeah. That's a lot better idea than letting Z knock it over.
Yeah, that is. You come up with that all on your own, Lightning. Oh, here we go. Oh.
Did you clean today, Autumn? Or was it Kelly?
What?
Did Kelly clean today?
I was gone all day.
No way. It's actually clean.
I mean, no, I cleaned. That's, yeah. No, I was on base all day.
Why are we going to do so much stuff? What's that? Why are we going to do so much stuff? Yeah.
Oh, come on,
I
come
don't
on.
need the Ethernet right now.
Oh.
This one's an Ethernet. This shit.
Isn't that cool?
Here you go, Lightning.
Lightning.
Fucking A.
There we go. Now she's got it.
All I can think of is Stuart Hill.
Yeah, now she's gonna follow it.
Doesn't look like she. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's got its head. She's good now. Oh, that girl. See, she didn't DOR.
God, you are. We give her a second chance.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I don't understand how that goes through that little mouth.
It's got like a slit at the bottom, and the jaws, and you know, yeah, so it can.
It's gotta hold its breath like the whole time it's swallowing it.
No, she'll like get a little more. Like she doesn't just go. Or whatever sound snakes make.
Hey, yeah. Fucking dog. Hello? Hello?
8 minutes. Oh my god.
I am at someone's house. Where you at?
You get into the shot.
What kind of dog is she?
A shit dog. Wow.
So, what does that mean? Besides, you can't. Why?
When my roommate's parents were here, I had to feed her. I had to like hide this, bringing it in because they would be like,
We got
"Oh, I don't
chicken
know."
all over her room, so you know. Where are you headed? Wow. So where are you guys going? Yes, I know you're at the Suburban. Where are you going after the Suburban? How are you staying there if you can't rent a room? How are you there if you can't get a room? Someone else got the room, okay. Alright. Well,
He doesn't put 2 and 2 together, does he?
I'll get over there later.
I'm gonna kill you. I hope you know that.
Yeah.
I bought that game for CJ.
What, man?
That's what I'm doing. Yeah. That's what I'm
And
doing.
Modern Warfare 3.
Yes, that's what I'm doing. That's what I planned on doing.
What else do I need for this shit? What fucker?
These are the peeps that are here like every weekend.
Pain in the fucking dick.
It's taking her so long. Oh my god. Who is this?
Casting. Yeah, like all he's talking to me about is like he's blacklisted from the Suburban. It's like, okay, so where are you going? He's like, the Suburban. What? He's like, yeah, I'm here. I'm being here all night. I'm like, how the fuck did you get a room here like this? Someone else bought it, douchebag.
What
Like,
happened?
Yeah, he's got my
He's what?
he can't rent a room from them anymore.
really
What did he do?
Because last weekend he was there, somehow chicken got everywhere, and so he tried to clean up puke with a pillowcase. I'm like, that sounds like you.
Coloring is like the worst.
You're eating leaves.
It's camouflage in me.
Probably in a box of other, like, things.
Yeah, here we go.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Or like on
No.
the side, on your side.
Right, I know.
Yeah, that's bad too.
Let me do it.
Why don't you picture? I can send you a picture.
What if it just, like, gave up eating?
It wouldn't give up eating because that's her food. She's hungry. What do you need? What?
My phone bill was reaching high. Now it's already like due for an upgrade. AT&T's monthly payment is exactly
The first order left.
Verizon away from the network. The upgrade for Verizon or the
This
new
is taking her
contract with
forever.
Verizon
It's because,
Is a snake eating a large mouse?
yeah, but normally, like, the fastest I got her, the fastest she ate was 5 minutes, 59 seconds. That's killing
Yeah,
energy.
come on.
And this is, I believe, the longest video.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, this is the longest video.
You tape it every time?
Yep. I'm gonna put them on YouTube.
Go away! You get
Because
like 5
half, most of the time, CJ can't watch it, and I want him to be able to, because we consider her our daughter. So,
I want you to see my
Yeah, you do all the time.
that are smaller than it.
Yeah, you can.
and we want to get a ferret and teach how to pickpocket.
Watch your snake. Watch your snake
I got
eat.
bit by a ferret.
Ferrets smell like ass, by the way.
Yeah, I know. And they bite hard. Oh. Let's get that shot.
Sound like a throat.
Let's get that shot.
Really?
Even better.
Oh yeah, that's the same. That's the exact moment I got.
She's got it like halfway eaten.
Halfway there. Yeah. Doesn't even look like it's in her throat.
So what?
Oh, from here, if you look down, you can see her
For the new phone?
neck's thick.
Yeah. Wasn't bad. Oh, 90.
Why are they just giving me a tough shot?
That's like the average. Yeah, it's pretty good. Actually.
And I got data plan.
Well, I downloaded 3 apps. I know 5 apps. That's what I ended up on.
Oh, just wait till she's like almost done. She'll like
No. I will too.
get her neck all up there and she'll like.
Oh, nicotine.
Well, I'm getting my phone.
Ah, here we go. Here we go.
That's an awesome shot right there. All that's out are the legs and the tail. You gotta get it from right here.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's my 2 years of photography class kicking in. Yeah. What is that?
Mexican candy.
What's gonna be Mexican?
Alright,
You know this is all going on YouTube, right?
making it.
Hi, everybody. My name's Matt Perry. I'm having a good time. I have a really big sweatshirt.
I thought you were going to say something else.
Holy shit, man, I missed it.
Please don't.
Come on, I missed everything. I love you.
Oh.
Is that your food's tail sticking out of your mouth, or you just happy to see me?
But I don't remember that side of the Jacksonville. That's where I'm going, by the way. I'm from Jacksonville.
We only eat it once in a week.
Yeah, they don't eat very often.
And you can't.
Not in here, but.
Why are you inside?
What are you doing?
Go outside.
Go outside! Oh my God!
My cigarette and lighter's like 10 minutes.
Oh my God! You're so stupid. This is wasn't even my house, it's my roommate's. I just went with her. I came later.
Let's not bring Marines with us next time.
Yeah.
Really, guys.
Ah, there we go.
That's why